They're gonna fly right over.
Kill him! Shoot him! Shoot him!
There.
Oh my gosh!
This one's a stud.
Wow!
Those teal are
Not
dead.
saying I haven't done.
Get him, boy! You guys ready?
Yep.
Just wait. They're dead.
Kill him!
That one! Shoot that. Oh. They're above us.
Yep, so look right down.
There's gonna be 3 that are gonna do it.
Yep. Let him work. Let him work. Let him work. Kill him!
Got that one.
Woohoo! Good job, good boy.
Fetch him up, fetch him up. Go get the birds.
Get all 3 or just
that
two?
one.
Yeah, we got all 3.
That's the first bird
I killed one of those, I know for sure.
You killed the one straight out.
I think. No, those are widgeon, dude. Oh no, I can't tell.
Those look like pintails.
Okay.
Out into the water they go.
No, here they're coming around like they have been.
They're gonna swim. Alright, Matt and Joe,
Okay,
ready.
shoot
the
these
front
3. Shoot only these 3.
Wait.
That back one's not even coming, so we're good. Just
Wait.
let it buck.
Wait. Kill him!
Oh, I got that one. Look at that.
Oh, that one is. Hey, come here, Luke. That one might come around.
That's the code black goose for you right there.
That one might come around right up. I see us now.
They're pintails.
Are they? What are those?
They're either divers or
pintails,
pintails.
dude.
They might have been divers.
Here, they're gonna come back.
That's pretty pintails.
Yep. Be patient on them. They're working. Identify.
I think we can kill these boys.
Wait.
Oh my. Those are widgeon.
We got those marked?
Right? Those are widgeon, right?
Yeah, I think so.
Yeah, they were
They're waiting.
straight out front there.
Okay,
I
pick
think-
out mallards, guys.
Wait.
Kill them.
Wait.
Kill them, guys. Widgeon. That's a pintail. That's a pintail. Damn it. Dang it.
I got one nice mallard.
We have one more pin.
Yeah, but I don't know how many we shot out of that.
Go get him, Rex.
That's an mallard.
Not a pintail, guys.
You want his cup?
Yeah.
Right there. There's a picture.
Let's do something double. That's a pin.
Drake.
I could have swore I saw a mallard.
Hey, those.
Hey, big group to the
Next side. Be ready.
Rex. Are these mallards?
They're not pintails.
That front one's a mallard. That front one's a mallard.
Nice,
Nice
shot.
shot.
Nice shot, Mason. Nice shot.
What about these two? Are those pintails too? The back
What are
one?
those
Isn't
right
this
up high?
back? That back one.
No,
That's a
they're all
pintail.
What are these 3 up high behind them?
No?
Mallards.
Those are mallards. Get down. That front one's a nice drake. It's a stud. Hey guys, real quick, if you're looking for a new boot for hunting, fishing, or anything outdoors, I highly recommend checking these out. Not only are they warm and waterproof, but they are extremely comfortable with an easy slip on and off design. I tried them out this weekend while we were hunting in the raining cold, and I was not disappointed. I'm going to put a link in the top right corner of your screen, as well as use code 30FINSANDFEV for 30% off your purchase on these boots.
Yes, boys!
Right on top of each other.
I got the drake, I know.
I think we all shot.
I got a
there.
piece of that.
Hey, Harry, hey, those ones out front on the lake just got up and are kind of coming.
Watch out, there might be pins. They're coming right at us.
Oh my.
I got one shell in. Can't tell what they are though.
Widgeon.
Wedge? Yeah, wedge.
Well, you could dump about 8 of them with one shot.
We should have took a poke at those.
You probably would have dropped 2 of them. I'm not even gonna lie.
Oh, hey, but it's the right.
These cranes honestly might give us a look. Stay in. These
mallards? Those. They're mallards.
Yeah, they are.
Wait on them.
Kill all these guys.
Kill him!
Oh, finish that one right there. Shoot him one more.
I'm out.
Watch that one. He's gonna go down.
Got 2 of them. Comes.
He's coming.
Slow it down. You got him.
Softer.
Hit him.
Where's
Okay,
the
hit him
smart?
now. Hit him now. He's coming. Nope, hit him now.
There's mallard. What are these ducks?
Those are pintails.
Are we sure? Because I'd rather shoot ducks.
I think that back one's a mallard.
I think we can shoot these guys.
Isn't that back one? Isn't that back one a mallard?
No.
That's a Drake, a mallard.
Watch him.
The goose is coming. The goose is coming.
That mallard's right behind us.
Slow.
He's dead. Kill him!
Okay, I think he's.
Roxy.
I got up. I was like, "There's no."
Roxy, come here.
Hey, those geese got back up.
There's a white one. There's an albino goose in there.
Goes jump them.
Oh my gosh.
You'll never see that again in your life. Roxy, go get the bird.
Guys, I think we could shoot these if these are
I
mallards.
think those are mallard. That front one's a Drake.
I think we
Front
can shoot
left.
these.
Should we shoot them right now?
I don't know.
That's it. Oh, those are definitely mallards.
Yeah, here they're coming around. They're coming hard. They're coming hard. Get all these boys.
What are we at for hens? We should probably try to shoot green.
There's 2 in here.
Yeah, we have enough. Let's just shoot the heck out of these. We
Where
shoot
they
them
at?
if they come over right up front.
Oh yeah.
Do not shoot those pintails.
Kill them.
Yep. Oh, I got the
that
nice
one.
Drake
Oh,
right there.
Hey, I'll go run and get him. I shot that one.
Get him, Roxy.
Hey, I got a mark on this straight out.
I got a nice Drake over here.
Straight, Mason. He's on the ground. He's gonna be a
Roxy, come on. Oh. That's what I'm talking about, baby.
Yeah, let's go. That's awesome. That's one great job. We shot 2 of them, didn't we?
Yeah. There was a lot of Drakes in there.
Oh my gosh.
This one's a stud.
Wow. Here, let me get a picture of you with him.
Yeah, I was gonna say.
Hold him like this?
Yep.
Yeah, right on. You know how it's
Oh, I know.
Shoot him.
Oh boy, he might be really dead.
Double tap. Good girl.
Dude, the way the dog just released there. Oh.
I didn't think those.
You should video that if you have that camera. If you get enough time.
Yeah, let's see if those birds on the right are gonna.
Oh, hey, get down. Those 3 are gonna come right over.
Oh wait, yeah, 3 are coming over.
Bring her, Roxy.
More to the
Drop.
right.
Drop. All right. Who needs a hen?
We've got a 1 bird. Yeah. 3 up.
Largely be done, right?
There might be those back 2 might be mallards.
What are those 2?
I think those are pintails. Yeah. Yeah, they are.
Watch the one on the right.
Watch them
Can I
all.
take that camera?
Pintail.
Yeah,
What are those?
Pintail. Oh, that's a widgeon.
Widgeon, wait.
That's a nice widgeon. Go get it.
Nice shot. I was worried about the decoys, but
I'm jealous. That thing has a bluebill. That's a nice widgeon. That's a nice one. Oh, that's a nice one, dude. Drop it. He's full plumage. I'll let you finish him, but
what is it?
What is it? That's a wedge.
that's a
Way up there. Oh.
that's a pintail, isn't it?
Oh, mallard's right out front.
Come on, Roxy. Kennel. Dude, I'm not gonna lie. I'd be tempted to mount that if I shot that thing. It's probably too early, but I've always wanted to mount a widgeon. I think the bottom 2. No.
Yep.
Should be ready. nope.
They're all pintails. On these two.
Hey, watch those.
What are these?
Pintail.
They're all pintails.
Wait, this one's out.
Where's those mallards though?
That's a nice drake right there.
Stop. Where's those mallards?
They're not.
They're right there, right up high, right up high. They see us. They see us.
There's another drake. Here, do you want it? Not hard. They might
Hey, they're
circle.
coming around. They're coming around. They're coming around. They're coming around. Yep.
Oh yeah, they're sucking in. They're sucking in hard. And we're clear. Nobody stick your head out too much.
Take them. Oh, here they come.
wait.
Here they come. Here they come. Wait. I think we shake them now, boys.
Just wait. They're gonna fly right over.
Kill him!
Yes! Oh, yeah! Woo! That was freaking awesome.
Put them up.
Wow, we got those.
These are big boys. These are.
Get yourself a Minnesota goose collar out.
I think these are molts.
Yeah, I think so.
These are molts, 100%. They're migrators.
No bands? No bands.
Hey, there's a single up to the left. I think we had a chance at him. He's gonna try.
I think he might. Oh, he's just coming.
Hey guys, Austin Roller here with Dvorak Motorsports in Bismarck, North Dakota, a proud supporter of Dakota Fins and Feathers Outdoors. You too could have a great CFMOTO product like the ones you see in their videos by visiting us online at dvorakmotorsports.com.